Hey, all you lady dragons out there, it's me again, Jess, and thank you so much for coming to watch this video. Today I do have a new wig for you guys. It is from Outre, and thank you so much Wigtypes for sending this unit over. I'm super excited to give it a try. If you want to see how this wig looks on me, then definitely keep on watching. You guys, before we get started, I'm definitely going to share with you guys the subscriber of the day. Clap it up for the subscriber of the day, y'all. Yes, clap it up for her. And if you want to be the subscriber of the day, make sure you leave a comment down below, start a conversation. We're also getting super close to 65K subscribers. Once we get to 65, I'm definitely going to have a giveaway. I think it's gonna be a wig and a Target gift card, or an Amazon gift card, because I've been doing a lot with Amazon, and I know you guys have been like watching the Amazon hauls and stuff, and you probably want to get some of the stuff. So make sure you guys are sharing the videos. Make sure you are giving the videos a thumbs up. That super helps to get the word out about the channel and about the content, and then we'll more quickly get to 65K. All right, you guys, without further ado, let's jump right into this new wig. All right, so we got a melted hairline lace front wig. This one is from Outre. It's called Lucienne, and she is 22 inches long. I have her in DR chocolate swirl, and this is a frontal effect hairline, no plucking required, and it has the comfort fit ear contour so that you can wear it behind your ear easily. The last wig I reviewed from Outre was also this melted hairline, and that one was really pretty. I like that one a lot, so I'm really excited to give this one a try as well. And if you didn't see that video, I will link it down below if you want to check out the other Outre wig review I did from Wigtypes. So this is the unit right here. Nice little bump at the end. No, not super curly or anything like that. Definitely has your baby hairs already there, and your pre-plucked parting area. I like that. That looks really good. Let's take a look at the cap construction. Cap construction, we do have an elastic band at the front, 2 combs on either side of the ear tab, no comb at the top, 2 combs at the back, and your adjustable straps. This is a breathable cap, so you don't have any you know, spandex cap or anything inside. All you have is your tracks laid and some elastic holding them together. I like this type of cap construction. I really like the parting space on this one. It's nice and open. I really like that. And the wig is already laying flat on its own. I love when wigs are already just laying flat on their own. The lace tint spray I'm using is Ebon Lace Tint in dark brown. So that's what that looks like once you add that. And then the contour foundation I'm gonna use is this Revolution in F16. All right, then I'm going to cut off the lace and go ahead and pop her on. If you guys like this bonnet, it is available on my website, GLEEmade.com. If you're looking for a way to support your good sis and keep this good content going and keep this channel going, ordering a bonnet would be a great way to support. All right, so I'm going to cut the lace and I'll be right back with my final thoughts. So I really love the hairline on this, but I thought the baby hairs were a little thick and like a little bit too much. I still wanted them fluffy, but I needed to take some out, so I just plucked them with my finger. And then I just added a little bit of concealer into the parting space to make it blend a little better. And then I just went in with my Infinity Pro hairbrush that I absolutely love, and I'll link that down below. So the ear tabs were a little long for me, and I decided to just tuck the end of those ear tabs underneath the wig itself and to pull out my sideburns. I didn't lay any baby hairs or sideburns down with any edge control. I wanted this to have a fluffy, soft flyaway sort of look, so I just pulled my sideburns out and just brushed them and blended them. And then the part of the lace that was making itself too apparent, I just added some black eyeshadow to help it to blend, and I think that blended fine and gave me the look I was going for. So here's the Infinity Pro brush. I love this brush because it has both the soft wig bristles, and it also has the boar's head bristles, and it just detangles really, really easily. I love how this wig looks. I think this wig is perfect for fall. The texture on it is a nice yaki, light yaki texture, and I love the density. This wig is very full and very beautiful. I highly recommend this unit. Outre does these you know, natural fall colors so well. I'll leave a link down below where you can check this wig out from Wigtypes, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Make sure you've shared this video, share it with a friend, share it with a wig lover, share this video with your mama. Peace.